guys, this is a 2018 Tesla Model 3. This is a long range version, all-wheel drive, dual motor. Rebuilt title had front and rear bumper and right fender replaced, and a left rear door. Comes with your license plate bracket, brand new charging deal. It's got the panoramic roof. These are all the different cameras it has. So this does come with the 2 keys. It says 4,432 miles on it. So this does have the self-driving capability. It's not enabled yet, but we can get that enabled for you, just for a little extra cost. It has heated seats, music streaming capabilities. This does have the upgraded stereo system. All sunroof. Autopilot. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.